How to fix Gotham Knights Co-op not working. 1. PC, use the recommended NordVPN in this video guide, so you can play co-op with friends in Gotham Knights. Source, https://www.reddit.com/r/gotham-knights/comment/yexbj/can't_get_coop_do_work. Warning, using VPN could also crash your game. 2. FYI, https://www.ign.com/wiki/gotham-knights/how_to_play_co-op how to play co-op, Gotham Knights Wiki Guide. 3. Update the game in time.